Dyfed produces 1% of all milk in the European community. That's more than the whole of Scotland. Now the region's large-scale industry is becoming the battleground for control of the British pinter. When the Milk Marketing Board, which buys all farmers' milk, loses its monopoly after 60 years, farmers will take a step into the unknown as rival groups bid for their custom. Generating competition in the milk-producing industry is a controversial step, but one welcomed by most farmers. Perhaps more controversial, though, in the medium term, it may actually mean a rise in the price of a pint of milk. That's because higher prices offered to farmers for their milk by rival firms may be passed on to the consumer. Today, around 300 farmers from across Dyfed packed into a meeting to hear the chief executive of the Milk Marketing Board ask for their loyalty when it becomes a voluntary cooperative called Milk Mark.
It's going to create more competition for farmers' milk, as is happening, and that will enable farmers to get better prices. I think will encourage greater efficiency in the industry. There's a huge amount of rationalisation to go into in the processing industry, which I say will create greater efficiency, and therefore we should see benefits both to the consumer and to the farmer.
Milk Mark's main rival appears to be a company called Northern Foods. They're promising a guaranteed market for all farmers' milk, higher prices than rival Milk Mark, marketing expertise, and an independent structure to negotiate contracts with the company. It's a tempting offer, but most farmers don't appear to have been swayed.
It's quite easy to be tempted by offers of slightly increased prices in the short term, but I think the board has served us well for a very long time, and I think I'll throw my hat in with the new organisation, Milk Mark.
We've had strength in numbers, and I believe we should stay together as an industry and all join Milk Mark.
I'm sure the majority of Pembrokeshire farmers are backing Milk Mark all the way. I'm confident of that because it's essential in this part of the country that we stick together.
Farmers are wary of the imminent change in their industry. Most have only known the security of the Milk Marketing Board system. In all this uncertainty, however, rival cooperatives Milk Mark and Northern Foods insist that the changes won't affect the pinter on your doorstep.